Hi, welcome Tech Media. Today I am doing damaged wall socket replacement. First we check the socket have supply. We find out which MCB is going to the wall socket. First we switch off the MCB, then we check the line. Yes, this is MCB for this socket. So we can open the wall socket. Dismantle the both screws. Then keep the screw. After we can use this screw again for fix the new one. Yes. This is the line. Check again the line. No line. Disconnect the cables. Phase, neutral, earth. Then take the new one. New wall socket. This earth point, line, neutral. Connect the wire tightly and properly. Just open the screws. Then tighten the screw. So neutral. The strands open, that's why just to twist the strands. Then put the terminal and tighten the wire. Then face. Tighten the cable. Screw. Now connection finished. Once more check again. Neutral, face, earth. Then we can close the pan. Tighten the screw. Yes, now connection finished. Then on the MCB, then we have one Tesla. We can put that one. Yes, now it's okay. Light coming. The work is done. Okay. Light working properly. Thank you for watching Tech Media. Please subscribe my channel and share.